Yes, so
Thank you. Okay. So, good evening, everybody. Welcome for the parent orientation of Helium. A warm welcome to all of you, all the students and management of BRV Public School, and all the students and parents of Divine Education Society. So, to start with, I will start with a small Sanskrit shlokam, which is very close to my heart. Vidyam dadati vinayam, vinaya dhyati patratham, patratvat dhanam apnoti, dhanat dharma tatasukam. Okay. So this is related to education. So education brings humility or discipline. Okay. Humility brings self-worthiness. With self-worthiness, one attains wealth. With wealth, one performs his duties, and in performing those duties, he attains happiness. So the summary of this is the education is the basis of or the fundamental of happiness, satisfaction, and life. So with this, let's start our session. A little bit of logistics. So kindly be on mute. So all the parents are already on mute. Thanks a lot for that. And post your questions in the chat box. So the chat will be kept open, right? And so some of them are saying we can't listen to your voice. Kindly, ma'am, whoever are facing audio or video problems, usually it will be a local problem. Kindly log off the Zoom meeting and log in back into the Zoom meeting. So you will be able to hear my voice and see my video and also see my screen that is shared. So thanks a lot for the understanding. Yeah. If you have any questions, kindly post it on the chat window and we will take it up appropriately at the appropriate time. So now the agenda for today. So first we will be starting with what is the Helium platform all about. Then we have the team from NAVE. NAVE is a sister concern of ISKCON Bangalore, and it's the education wing of ISKCON Bangalore. The team will be presenting the courses and the details of those courses that will be launched on the Helium platform. Then we have the team from English Roots, who are language course specialists. They will be presenting on what languages they will be introducing on the Helium platform. Then we have a registration opportunity which will be created by Mr. Ravi Mahadev, my partner at Next Element. And then we have the closing notes. So myself, I am Manju Kiran Pachipulsu. I'm the CEO of Next Element. I'll be taking you and anchoring the whole presentation, as well as answering most of the questions that you will be asking. Let me just check once again if Savita ma'am is able to join. No, I don't see her. Let's get started. So first of all, welcome. Welcome again to all the management and the students of Divine Education Society, and welcome the management and the students of BRV Public School. We have Mrs. Manjula Gajendranath with us here today from Divine Public School. Ma'am, hearty welcome to you. We also have Mrs. Vidya Satish from BRV Public School. Ma'am, hearty welcome to you too. We are expecting Govardhan sir to join, and we are also expecting Savita ma'am to join from Divine Public School, Divine Education Society. We will welcome them as they join. So we are announcing a collaboration, okay, with Next Element and Divine Education Society and BRV Public School. With this collaboration, we are bringing forward the Helium platform to all the parents and kids of Divine Education Society and BRV Public School. Okay. So what does this collaboration mean? What does the Helium platform mean? So that's something I'll be covering in the next few slides. What is a Helium platform? So Helium platform is essentially, let me see if I can get rid of this. Oh, that's good. So Helium platform is basically a continuous learning platform. And I'll tell you what exactly this means. Okay. So this means there will be short-term courses for the school-going kids. So a lot of short-term courses, what you can name. So it can be music classes, maybe dance classes, maybe physical training classes, yoga classes, language classes. It can be classes on Vedic mathematics. All the classes or courses, the short-term courses, right? So that are usually non-academic and nicely complements whatever is there in the non-academic will be available on this platform. So all these courses are available right from within your institute's software application. Both VRB Public School and Divine Education Society are using the School Element application. The Helium platform will be completely integrated and exposed through this platform. So it provides a very seamless experience for the parents and the kids to join in, take the courses on this platform. Okay? And every course, please ensure this, every course is carefully screened and it is made available by the school and the college and Next Element itself, right? So these are relevant for the kids. These are very relevant for the kids. As a parent, I'm a parent of a 12-year-old. If I want to join my kid to a short-term course, the first thing I do is pick up the phone and talk to one of my friends and figure out what is the best course in the market and figure out who is offering this, who is the instructor, what is the course. All these things are done by the school for you. All these things are done by Next Element for you. And these are available right from your institute software application, that is School Element. Right? We are making it easy for you to discover these courses. All the courses are shorter, ranges from anywhere between 16 classes to 48 classes. All are short-term courses. All are mostly weekend or weekday. If it is weekday, it is adjusted per the school's schedule. See, exactly that's what I was trying to say. The course timings are adjusted per the school's schedule. See, if you have exams or anything, we will adjust such that most of the kids will be from Divine or BRBPS. So we adjust the schedule such that it fits and is not a burden for the school going students. And the most important thing is all of these are guaranteed to be available at the lowest price. So this we are able to provide because we are in collaboration with school, right? And since we are able to fill up the batches, we will be able to easily provide the lowest price possible. Okay. So again, in Helium platform, what it means to you is you can find the courses for your kids very easily from within the School Element application. Then you will be able to register to the course of your choice and then complete the course and then get certified. So as simple as it is, find the course, register to the course, complete the course and get certified. All through the School Element application itself. Right? So when you open School Element from 2 days from now, you'll start seeing in mobile, if you open, you will start seeing this Helium one additional tile that will start showing up on your screen. And as soon as you click that Helium, you'll start seeing these screens. So here you will be able to see all the new courses, all the courses that are available on the Helium platform. And the courses that you register for will be available in the My Courses section. So, and this is available on your laptop also. So if you log in from your laptop, you will be able to see the screen this way. And you will be able to see My Courses, All Courses, Help, and Contact Us. All these things you will be able to see. Okay. So this being what is Helium platform, I will now hand it over to the team from NEEV. NEEV is a sister concern of ISKCON. We have Mrs. Devi ma'am, who is from ISKCON. She will be basically taking us through what are the courses that NEEV is offering through the Helium platform to start with. So thanks everybody again, and I will come back on the screen again. Now we will on to Devi ma'am.
Sure. Thank you very much, Mr. Manjukiran. Hare Krishna, and a very, very good evening to all the school dignitaries, parents, and our associate partners, Next Element of the Helium Academy. Can I present my screen?
Sure, ma'am. Yeah, you can.
Allow me a minute, please. Is my screen visible to all? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, we're able to see your screen.
Yes. So thanks for the introduction. Dear parents, I am Devi. I represent the National Institute of Value Education. And this National Institute of Value Education is an initiative by the ISKCON Bangalore team, the visionaries who wanted to impact children through education. And that is how the NEEV was formed. Here you see our visionaries on the screen. Padma Shri, His Grace Madhu Pandit Dasa, he is the chairperson of NEEV. All of you must be very familiar with our Rakshya Patra initiative, the midday meal program. So he's the mastermind behind this great initiative. And in short about NEEV, we are an 8-year-old institute, and we cater to schools as well as to corporate professionals, parents and teachers. But by and large, our focus is towards the student community, because we believe that these young children have to grow into very beautiful citizens tomorrow, and therefore the program. We have a very strong content team with us who design the pedagogy in such a way that the abstract subject that we deal with doesn't get boring for students. So that probably when you latch onto the program, you will experience it for yourself. And this program is designed to enhance the emotional quotient and the spiritual quotient of students. I shall talk more about it as I progress into the session now. So as you all must have seen the collaterals and creatives, we are going to offer this Transform Plus program. And this is all about facilitating happiness, values, spiritual wisdom and culture in the young ones. So the Transform Plus program is offering 2 courses, which is the value-based stories and the Bhagavad Gita shlokas. And as I already mentioned, we have a very strong pedagogy, and the whole content is designed as a holistic program that ensures that students grow into citizens who are very responsible and at the same time who know to be happy. And we have very well-trained facilitators. So when I speak much about the pedagogy, how do we make the sessions interesting is we pick stories, whether it is the value education module or the Bhagavad Gita module. We pick stories both from the contemporary stories as well as from the Vedic text. We are tied up with the Human Values Foundation of United Kingdom, and they help us develop our lesson plans. So here we offer the modern day stories to children to drive values. And parallelly, we teach them stories from the text. For example, if my value driven across some grade is friendship, then I have, a Rita Gita story from the modern times, as well as the story of Krishna and Sudhama from the Vedic text. So, the children understand the value deeper. And we also bring in a lot of teaching aids such as audio visuals, and we allow the participants to do role plays, and we provide them a lot of games such as crosswords and unscramble. Everything at the end of the day, without their knowledge, they would have taken home some value, and without their knowledge they'll be practicing all this. So that's the approach our lesson plans have. And just to recap, I want you all to know that there are 3 batches made available, one for the age group 3 to 9 and 10 to 12 and 13 to 17. And of course, the duration is for 1 hour on either Saturdays or Saturday and Sundays. I think Mr. Ravi will help us understand that better based on the requirement of the school, because Mr. Manjukiran said everything will be rolled out as per the school schedule. So that way we are very accommodative. And some time ago, I mentioned about the spiritual quotient and emotional quotient aspect. Before explaining it deeper, what is currently available to all students without denial is the physical quotient. What is physical quotient? As we all know, it is to do with our physical fitness, and it is definitely the need of the hour. As if pollution and adulteration was not enough, today we are in a world with threats of the viruses. So what best we can do is to keep ourselves fit in all possible ways, as you see, have a proper diet, sleep well, exercise and maintain healthy lifestyles, not just get wedded to the gadgets, walk around, meet people and all that. And whether we wish or not, all of us are in a rat race, including me. So it is a competitive world. We cannot run away from the truth. So it is important that we have enough teaching methods to improve the intelligence quotient of the students, which is, as I told you, unavoidable. And to some extent, schools today are also bringing in what do I say, sessions either from the externals or within their curriculum to slightly touch upon the strength of the emotional quotient of the children. So I see many schools have counseling cells and all that, which talk to children, and it is very, very vital for somebody's growth. The emotional quotient has to be high. We can manage with a fair physical quotient and a fair intelligence quotient, but emotional quotient has to be really high. So yeah, emotional quotient is about being very optimistic. Despite all this, we still face a lot of problems at schools with students. We can't deny that students of today are unable to accept failures. We also see that since they are extensively exposed to the digital world, they somewhere seem to know more than us, and therefore slowly the respect factor towards elders keeps dipping. So we have to bring back that into control and tell them that information is not everything. Whether they are knowing what has to be known is something that everybody needs to ponder. So these are something. So that is why, if you see, despite so many new things getting added in our education system, still the importance of being happy and importance of the values that drive us effectively in life towards proper success is missing. That is where the SQ plays an important role. So just for people who may want to know more about SQ is the spiritual quotient. When I say spirituality, I want to be very clear here that spirituality has got nothing to do with religion. Spirituality is about some basic questions like, who am I? Why am I here in this world? Is there a larger purpose to my life? These are the questions that everyone needs to understand. Now, why these questions need to be, asked is because these will help us understand, how we need to travel our journey with better control over greed, better control over anger, better control over lust, better control over, wanting to be very powerful, so many such things. So that is where Neve plays a very important role. So growth, if I talk about growth, there are two directional growths, isn't it? One is, say, for example, if I have to quote the example of a tree or say a tall building, first what goes to build these two is under the ground. And that's when once the foundation is strong, then the building strength or the tree strength is equally great. That is where Neve plays a role. While the schools are taking good care of the external growth, I'm not denying they may also be taking care of the internal growth, but we are here to only ensure internal growth that facilitates the child to understand, the importance of being happy always, to be happy for self and happy for others. For example, in our sessions, we drive these things, how truth and honesty, are very powerful values. You just practice these two, all other values would have been, following trail without your knowledge. Why we say gratitude is the parent of all virtues. The minute you start appreciating, others and start counting the blessings in life, then you feel a contentment. You don't become greedy anymore, and you learn to appreciate everybody around you. Why compassion is, the mantra of the day. We see somebody, on the road, there's an accident. we don't even pause. We just drive because, okay, there are 2, 3 people. So we've somewhere lost that, compassion used to exist in this world. I'm not blaming anybody at all. It's including me. Somewhere these things, we have to give it back to children so that when they grow into adults and responsible citizens, the world will be more a beautiful place for them to experience. And forgiveness is the biggest gift that one can give. So if someone does something wrong to me, and I hold a grudge against that person, it's equally hurting me as much as it is hurting the other person. So the minute I learn to forgive, I am relieved of the baggage, and so is the other person. So how can the child understand that forgiveness is a gift? So this is what we teach them, or rather facilitate them through our lesson plans. And we talk to the slightly older children about the power of habits, how habit can create a better person, and why it is important to be careful to avoid unhealthy habits in especially the age group of teenage.
Devi
And-
ma'am,
yes,
5 more minutes, ma'am.
thank you. Sure. And the magic behind positive thinking and why contentment is important. If you have all observed, Mr. Manjukiran opened the session saying, Vidya Dadati Vinayam. Here we are to tell children that no matter how much, successful you are as a student and tomorrow as an adult, it is important to be humble. You can be happy about the growths you have experienced. At the same time, you must learn to appreciate the fellow human beings around you, and therefore keep constantly working on the I is something that overpowers you anytime, so we have to keep chopping it time and again. So these are the certain things. And so as I told you, whether it is Bhagavad Gita or the value-based stories, because of the teaching methods that we adopt, we see that our children learn the shlokas very happily, because it's believed to be a very dry Sanskrit text, and people wonder why it has to be learned. But there are a lot of happiness techniques hidden in the Bhagavad Gita, and once the presentation is made in an interesting way, children quickly grasp it. And I wish to take the example of advertisements. So what do advertisements do? If you see, the easy one that I can remember is Dairy Milk. People watch the ad again and again and again. So what does the Dairy Milk fellow actually get? He gets his customers, because when I go to the shop tomorrow and when I see Dairy Milk, it's so known to me that I'm tempted to take it. So this is called causing an impact on your latent memory. That's exactly what we do. We provide the sessions to these children in such a way that it all gets stored in their latent memory, and when there is a need to live these values, it surfaces. And we have been very fortunate in Neve to have traveled for some years, and we've seen children blossom into beautiful individuals. And with this, I want you to just go through some of the testimonials as to how happy our children have been attending to these programs. And we also have equally parents supporting us very extensively, saying because today everybody is, most of them are working parents, and though they want to impart these things to their children over and above what school does, they are unable to do. Again, as I told you, we're all in the rat race, and we can't deny the fact that that's the truth. So that is where we play a very vital role. And these are some testimonials. I wish many students make most benefit of our program. And I wish to thank all of you for this opportunity. Hare Krishna.
Ma'am, thanks a lot, Devi ma'am. So we had this presentation from Neil, from Devi ma'am. Thanks a lot, Devi ma'am, again for the presentation, for the beautiful presentation. So as ma'am communicated, we will be launching two, or me will be launching 2 courses through the Helium platform. So this is as part of the collaboration with the schools they will be launching. And the more details about these programs, the number of sessions, everything will be shared by Mr. Ravi shortly. Before we go to Mr. Ravi, we will invite the team from English Roots. So Mr. Shaji is there with us. English Roots specializes in teaching languages. And more from him, he will be sharing more details about what languages are getting launched on the Helium platform and why we need to lead, why we want the kids to pick on additional languages. Mr. Shaji, over to you.
He is not the host. He's not the co-host.
I will make him as the co-host now.
I did message you before.
Okay. Mr. Shaji, I have made you as a co-host.
Yes.
Okay. So you'll be able to share now.
Yes. Perfect. Am I audible? All good?
Yeah, Shaji, you are.
Okay.
Your screen is not visible yet. Sharing, I think you can do.
A very good evening to all of you. Thank you so much, Manju, for the introduction. My name is Shaji Rajan. I am the founder and CEO of English Roots. We are a language academy based in Bangalore. I wish to welcome all of you to the world of languages. We have established our organization last year, and within 1 year's time, we were able to make a difference in the market by providing quality training programs, quality language training programs. And we were recognized and awarded by NIST New Delhi as a best upcoming language training academy. Now, here we have multiple programs. We teach English, we teach Indian languages, we teach foreign languages. We are basically focused only on languages. Here we are offering 3 programs: Sanskrit, German, and French. To start with, we have multiple programs to come up. These are the 3 programs, language training programs we are offering right now for this month. We have Sanskrit, German, and French. Please make a note. Now, when I say Sanskrit and foreign languages, so why do we need to learn Sanskrit? Now, you must have seen or you must have noticed in the social media that many foreign countries are training students on Sanskrit now. In the US, in Europe, in Germany. Why do they do that? Sanskrit is considered to be the language of future. It is closely connected with the computer language. It's a scientific language. When you learn Sanskrit, you are not only learning the etymology of languages or roots, but also you're opening up a door to the future. According to NASA, this is the most scientific language suited for computer algorithms. This will make your coding easier. So Sanskrit, as we know, it is the mother of all the languages. All those ancient scriptures, were written in the Sanskrit language. Once you learn languages, I'm sure the NIVE programs also will be helpful for you because you can read it without losing any content in the right meaning, the right context, right? One is Sanskrit. Now we will move on to the foreign languages. I am offering you German and French to start with. Let us understand. Now, parents may ask, why should we learn or why should I send my kid for a foreign language? They have already English, Hindi, and Kannada in school, so why one more language? So there is a reason for that. Foreign language is something which gives you a global perspective. This will improve your listening skills and memory for sure. Also, this will help you to improve your English skills, your English vocabulary, your communication skills. The connection between the languages will improve. You can actually make a difference in your kid. And it will encourage respect for other people. That caste or national discrimination, we will have a different outlook altogether. And your child will be more confident because he knows a new language. He knows German or he knows French. He starts speaking in that. that will give a new outlook, a new confidence in him. And it will create an understanding of the interrelation between the languages and the human nature. You are also exposed to other countries' culture, their food, their fashion, their films, their music, etc., etc. This is actually, what happens is that once a kid, we have noticed that a kid before the program and after the program, the outlook, the way he speaks, the way he observe, everything changes. There is a difference. Now we have designed these programs, all are small programs, short-term programs. Sanskrit, we are starting with the Pravesha module, which is the basic level. We need to start with basic level first. It's a 20 hours of program, and total duration would be 2.5 months. This is a weekend program, Saturdays and Sundays only. We are starting this program on November 27th. For French and German, we have designed 2 different levels of program. One is a kids module that is suitable for the kids from 9 to 11 years of age. We don't wish to train very small kids because it is little challenging for them to understand the terminologies. So we'll take students from from the age of 9 to 11. This is a 24-hour program for 2 months. We are starting with the batch on November 29, Monday. And there is another layer, it is called foundation module. This is most appropriate for the kids who are between 12 to 14. Same goes for German also. So one program is starting on 27th of November, that is Sanskrit. 29th of November, we have 2 programs starting for kids, German and French. November 30th, we have the foundation program for French and German. That is for 12 to 14 years of age. You may ask, is that enough? No, there are more levels. Even Pravesha, after you complete Pravesha level, we have Parichaya, we have Shiksha. There are different levels of programs. Even French also, same goes for German. After completing your foundation module, you can opt for A1 level, then A2 level, B1, B2, C1, C2. There are different layers of programs. You can advance level by level. Is it clear for you? I'll move to next one. So what will you learn in Pravesha level for Sanskrit? You will learn about the origin of the language, introduction about Panini. You know who is Panini? Right? Father of languages. You will learn about the sentences and self-introduction, your reading, written skills and vocabulary building. You will learn few slokas, your speaking skills. You can speak in small sentences. And also the grammar and usage. This much you will learn in the Pravesha level. Once it is learned, you will move to, or you can opt for the next level, which is Parichaya. We will come up with that. Once we complete this level, you can see that module in the app itself. We will upgrade that. Now, in foreign languages, kids program is basically a program to create an interest. So you will learn all the basic things. The culture and civilization, alphabets, numbers, salutations, days, week and months, colors, seasons, fruits. It is very important for a kid to start or to fall in love with the language because we are learning something new. We have no clue about French or German. So from 9th grade or from the age of 9, if a kid starts to learn the basics, he will understand the language in a much simpler way. Now, what do you call for good morning? How are you, Papa? They will start speaking in that language. The foundation level is a bit advanced, little more, not like kids program or A1 program. It is in between. Here you will learn little more about the auxiliary verbs. You will also learn all the names and alphabets, etc. Basic will be covered anyway. On top of that, some more information will be provided, some more training will be provided at the foundation level. Once you complete foundation level, you are all set to go for the A1 level, which is later. All right. Now, how do we train people? How do we train? We train with the PowerPoint presentations interactive classes. All the classes are live classes, nothing recorded, video clippings, live demonstration, case studies, role plays, group discussion, activities. And one more thing I wanted to add here, that you don't have to buy any expensive books to learn. We have custom-made training materials. We will provide you that. Every program is customized. We have our own way of taking classes. We have our own content. Don't have to buy anything. We will provide you everything digitally. Now, assessment. Once a student starts with the program, say it is a 36-hour program, how do we assess them? We assess them at every 10th hour. 10th hour, the 11th hour will be a small module test. We will understand what is the progress, how much is covered. And this report, this progress report will be shared with the parent as well as the school. And once the program is completed, the entire 36 hours or 24 hours or 48 hours is completed, the final report will be sent to the parent and to the school with our observation and recommendations. This will be a detailed report. So there is a proper reporting mechanism. Is there a course certificate? Yes, we provide a course certificate to all the students who complete the program successfully. There is one more thing. There is something called international certification. This is at a higher level. Now, once you complete foundation level, you cannot apply for an international certification. You need to be at least A1 level. That is the next level after foundation. You can apply for international certification. It is conducted globally. It is conducted by the respective countries' Ministry of Education and Services. We will train you on that. What is the benefit? This certificate is valid globally. If you want to go abroad, study abroad, or work abroad, anything, this is globally valid. So there are layers by layers of certification at an international level. All right. Now, these are some of the Google reviews which I pasted for your reference. The best thing is, I would suggest, go to Google and type English Roots Bangalore or just English Roots. You will get all the information in Google itself. You can go through our website. You can go through our Google reviews, etc., etc. These are some of the reviews I did just pasted for you. So that's it from my end. So as I said, we are coming up with 3 more languages soon on Helium. English is coming up, Spanish and Japanese. These 3 programs would be commenced from December onwards. But for this month, we have Sanskrit, French, and German. Okay. So learn the languages, explore the world. I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Shaji. So learning a language, picking up additional languages for the students is very important. As you can see, when a kid joins, say the LKG, UKG, so the first thing they start is teaching the language, or we start teaching the language at home itself. Language is the basis of everything else that we learn. Going forward, we are becoming a global economy. So the world is basically turning into products which are used by multiple countries, right? So for example, you see that Google has come up with multiple products, and each of this product that is coming from Google is available in multiple languages. It is available in Kannada, even in Telugu, everything, all the languages is available. So the languages, the products that we will be building as from the Indian market will also be equally customized to other languages, right? So it will not be we will be speaking with fellow Indians. We will be speaking with fellow Earthians. So the whole Earth will become one place. Going forward, having one more language, which is an international language other than all the national languages that we have, is going to be a feather in the cap. And right now, all the kids are LKG to 10th standard, but after 10th standard, they will be thinking about their careers. This is going to help their careers. So thanks a lot, Shaji, for the beautiful presentation. As he mentioned, we are launching 2 languages, French and German, in 2 age groups. One is the junior age group and one is the senior age group. So the details will be shared with you by Mr. Ravi in detail. So now we will go on to Mr. Ravi. He is my colleague from Next Element. He'll be sharing the details of the courses that are going to get launched in the next 1 week and how you could register to those courses and a few more details. So over to you, Ravi.
Thank you. Hope my screen is visible now.
Yep.
Thank you, Mr. Shajirajan from English Roots and Devi ma'am from NAVE for giving an amazing presentation and then giving the required information for the parents and the students who have joined here to take a decision to actually enroll into the course. Now I am actually giving an opportunity to register to the course. We all know like we can get all the information that is required, but only thing that will move from point A to point B is taking actions. And that's what it is right now. For time to take actions. The courses that are offered by NIVE include Gita Quest for different age groups, and the duration is for 16 hours, and the courses are starting from November 27th. And the courses that we are offering is at an introductory offer price of 1799. Same is the case with value-based stories also. It is also available at different age groups, junior, intermediate, and senior. Duration same, 16 hours, and starting from November 27th, and the price remains the same, which is 1799 rupees. The courses that are offered from English Roots include Sanskrit, and it's starting from November 27th, and the price for that is 2499. French, which is offered at 3 different levels, are provided at 2999, 5299, and 5899. Same is the case with German. You can also opt to actually take the German classes at different age levels, starting from junior, intermediate, and advanced, and the price remains the same. Now, as I'm displaying these prices, you might be wondering, how do I register to these courses? So for that, I'm going to take you through the registration process. Okay. So what you have is the registration, I would say, link called as that is displayed here, which will be actually posted in the chat group also here. Okay. So I'm just going to click on this, which is going to take me. Is my screen visible? With the registration.
We are able to see the slide.
Oh,
We're able to see the slide.
Sure. I'm just going to actually reshare. Okay. Hope my screen is visible now.
Yeah, yes, it is.
Sure. So this is the registration link, which is posted over there in the chat window. What you could do is you can select the, I would say, institution name that you belong to, student name, parent name, mobile number, email ID is optional. Select the grade that you're studying in, and then you select the course that is of your choice. As you select the course, the introductory offer price that is available for you will be displayed here, and you can continue to actually make the payment either through the credit card, debit card, or through the net banking. All these options are available for you. And our team will be able to assist you and help you out in doing the registration. For that, what we have actually done is we have provided a registration link here itself that is to actually answer any of the queries that you might have, and also make you or give you an opportunity to attend a demo class which is happening over the weekend. So we invite you all to actually take an opportunity to fill up this form and then participate in the demo class, and also allow us to serve you by answering those questions that might come in their way to register to the course. The link for that demo class registration is also posted here. We are going to post that message directly here. So you can take that and then do the registration for the demo classes. And this link will also be shared in your respective WhatsApp groups that is provided by the school or through the school in any communication medium. That's it from my side. So I invite you to go ahead and then do the registration. So the links will be provided to you shortly. Over to you, Manju Kiran.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Ravi. So as Ravi Mahadev shared with you, so we are providing these courses at an introductory offer price. So this is made available to you because we are introducing this platform in both the schools, Divine Education Society and BRV Public School, for the first time. So by virtue of that, we are providing these at a highly subsidized cost. So kindly make use of this opportunity. Okay. So kindly make use of this opportunity. Now, if you have any questions, kindly post it on the chat window or please raise your hand so that we will be able to answer your questions. It will be either me or the team from NEEV or English Roots who will be answering your questions. If you have any questions, kindly use the reactions button and raise your hand. We will provide an opportunity for you to ask your question. Or you could also type your question in the chat window. So we will be able to answer that question. So there's a question from Sanjay Shah, Mr. Sanjay Shah, can parent enroll? So this is a good question. So parents can enroll. So you can enroll your kid and you can represent. That's not a problem at all. Learning happens at every level. As a kid, as a parent, at the old age, it happens at every level. You are more than welcome to join the session of your choice. So when this link is available from the School Element app, or the link is available, the link is already there, registration link is already there. We have pasted in the chat window. You could register in your kid's name, but you're more than welcome to attend. Yeah. So any other question, please either directly message to me, or you could message, or you could just raise your hand. Yeah, there's a question from Mr. Prajesh. Is it free or should we pay? So we have two things. So the first one is the demonstration class that is happening over the weekend. It will be on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll have a few classes scheduled by English Roots as well as from NEEV. So those classes are free of cost. You can kindly register using the Google Forms link that we have shared. The Google Form link, I think it's called as the Helium registration demo session. So that's by Meghna. She has posted in the chat. Kindly make a copy of that link and then kindly register. So that is completely free of cost. But however, the actual main sessions is on payment. So as we said, we have an introductory offer running. So with that introductory offer, you can make use of it. Mr. Ravi had shared the prices in the just a couple of minutes back, and that will be shared on your WhatsApp group or as a circular in your School Element application. So you can get a chance to view the prices again and do your registration. Hope that answers the question. So then there's one more question. Hi, sir. You have any specific
There is a question before
topic, and this particularly children or parents also? Okay, Mrs. Samanvita. So this is basically a children's program. Now please make note of it. It's a kids program. So although we have a few age groups, so that is mentioned. So we do not restrict the parents to join. So you are more than welcome to join, but it is tailored for the kids, right? As I said, learning happens at all levels. So even parents can join and make use of it, but it's primarily for the kids. Okay. So one more question we have, can we pay by cash, right? See, we are making this a very, very seamless process. So we do not have an opportunity to pay by cash, right? So we, however, will accept any mode of online payment. While Ravi showed the link, as you click the link, select a course, you will be redirected to a payment gateway. Over there, you can choose any of the payment methods, net banking, UPI, or credit card or debit card. Any of them you can choose and make the payment. So really sorry that we cannot collect cash for this. And just one more, this was a direct message. Yeah, okay. There's one more direct message. After attending demo class, later we can join actual classes. Yes, absolutely. So the demo classes are basically
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please. Somebody is asking a question. Please go ahead. Then I will take
We have the German textbook.
Hi, it's a sweet voice, but I'm not able to completely hear you. If you could type your question on the chat window, that will be really helpful.
Hi, sir. Excuse me, sir. Hi, my name is Diksha. I'm from Divine School. At starting the meeting, you said there will be a dance, yoga. For that and all, we should pay the money, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. So right now we are launching 4 courses. So 2 courses from Neve and 2 courses from English Roots. Helium platform, however, is a platform that is going to stay forever and associated with the Divine Education Society as well as BRV Public School. So we will be launching all these courses in the future. Yoga classes, dance classes, so, piano classes, all these things will be launching in the near future. Whether we have to pay for it or will it be complimentary classes is something that you will know. So as I said, there will be paid classes for sure. And there will be certain free classes. There will be complimentary classes, complimentary badges. All this will be available on the School Element platform. Right now, as we launch in the next 1 week, these are the 4 courses that will be available. Hope that answers your question.
So, what is the payment? Means how many price of yoga class, dance class, sir?
Yeah. So when we introduce the yoga class and the dance class Diksha, we will be actually announcing what is the price for that. Right now, we are not launching it. We will be launching it shortly. Okay? When I say shortly, we'll have to consider your exam schedule, right? So the classes that we are launching now, we are ensuring that it will complete before your exams. Okay? So based on the schedule, we are going to launch and we will let you know what is going to be the price. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
The Helium link, will we get it in the Google?
Yeah. See, Helium link, there are 2 links right now that will be shared. It is shared on the chat window. Meghna, could you share those links again, please? So one link is for you to register for the course directly. Okay. So the other link is for you to register for a demonstration class that is happening this weekend.
No, sir. To open Helium app.
Okay. I got your question. See, now these are the registration links I said. For opening the Helium app, today you're using School Element app, right?
Yeah,
so
but I saw
Helium will be available within the School Element itself. So there is no different application.
Okay.
It will be there within your School Element. You have online classes and timetable exam. There you will have Helium also. Okay, that will show up in the next 2 days. Okay.
In the next 2 days from Monday, it's gonna be Helium option.
Absolutely, you will have Helium right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you don't have to go to any other
Links.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
I am Rohana from BRV Public School. After every course, we will get the exam.
Okay. See, the exam thing is completely dependent on the course. Okay. So English Roots, Mr. Shaji made it clear now. You will have an exam after every 10 sessions. Okay. And how that will be assessed for English? One second, Beta. I'll just answer this question. So for the Bhagavad Gita and the value-based programs, Devi ma'am, do you want to take that question? Yeah. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, as I explained during my session, ours is an abstract, subject. There is no one here to judge anybody as good or bad. Values are values. However, just to ensure that we do a great job, or at least are we doing a good job, we here and there, ad hoc give assessments in the form of quiz or recap sessions. There is no formal exam or anything unless the school wants us to do it. We generally don't believe in conducting exams because values are values and we are not here to judge anybody.
Okay, thanks, man. That was beautifully answered. I hope that answers your question. Now, let me see. Will there be Asian languages available, sir? Mr. Shaji, can you take that question?
What was the question?
Will there be Asian languages available?
Yeah, we can start off a batch. Even I have the plans of starting Mandarin some other languages also, but we need a minimum number to start a batch. If someone wants to learn individually, you can approach us, we can plan it out. Which language specifically are you looking for, please? Anything specific, you can type it out here. You mean to say Korean language or Mandarin?
Korean, I think she messaged Korean.
Message Korean. Yes, yes. We can definitely add. Any program can be added within 2 weeks of time. We have all the resources, everything is ready. Only challenge is that we need to have minimum number of students to start a batch. If we have a good number of students, we can start a batch. Not a problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, how much subjects we have? How much you pay for the German?
Can you ask the question again, please?
Yes, sir. How much subjects are there? And for German, how much should we pay?
So this is for which course are you asking?
She's asking for German.
German. Okay. So, so for the German language, there are certain outcomes. Okay. So there will be Mr. Shaji his team will be coaching you on how to converse on the basics of German, salutations, the alphabet, the numbers.
Excuse me, sir. Even I have the German textbook.
Okay.
I have the 3 textbooks, sir.
Which all are they? You have what is the textbook name?
I will send the picture, but now
Okay. What's your age, Beta? What's your age?
my age is 13.
13. Okay. So you are eligible to enroll for foundation level program. And you asked a question, how many subjects? It is not about the subjects. It is all about the modules. We have different modules for one level. All right. And this textbook will definitely help you, but you don't have to actually refer the textbook. We have our own way of teaching you. You all can follow that.
They will teach. Sir, how much should pay?
Yeah. So the
pay for
amount
the
that you need to pay is actually will be shared on the WhatsApp group of the school. It was shared by Mr. Ravi a few minutes back. Okay. So depending on the level that you choose.
Pay cash or pay.
Sorry, what's the follow-up question?
Is asking whether to pay by cash or debit card, like that.
Okay. So this will be a non-cash thing. All the payments we will be receiving online. So you can essentially register using the registration link that Meghna is sharing now again, or you can also register for a sample class, or we call it as demonstration class. In either of them, you can register and then you can join the actual class. Okay. So there's one more question: is there installments? Okay. So there is no installments. The fees is quite less. They're keeping that a very low price.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt here.
Yes.
I am
Sir, your voice is breaking.
I am audible.
Yes. You are audible, sir. Please say. Please ask your question.
Is this for? No, actually, sorry to interrupt in between things. Just you know that in school, lot of students is taking the education. There is a lot of guardian also here. They are listening also. Since we are asking about the cash and online payment, the reason is here. Lot of people really hesitate to pay through the online mode. There's a lot of things as per my mind, and a lot of category people in falling this in category. Some people has the, no credit card, debit card, and at all. So in this case, my suggestion, I'm not sure it is going to take very early or what is the next level. But since we are already there in the some school, so is it possible to put the cash in the cash counter through the school and a student can benefit that course?
Sir,
Since
I
why
think
I'm
it's a
asking,
very good
cash is
suggestion.
really required.
Yeah. Sir, I got your point. I'm duly noting the point. We will work with the school management. I think Manjula ma'am is on the call. She will be listening in. We will definitely talk to the school management and see if we can make any arrangement with the school so that we can collect cash also. Sir, your point is duly
Correct.
noted, and we will definitely get back to you very soon.
Excuse me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I am Anvita from Divine English School.
Yeah,
Should,
Anvita.
can we use School Element app only, or we should use the Alien app compulsory, sir?
Anvita, all the courses will be right away available from the School Element app itself. Right? As I said, the Helium tile will start appearing on your School Element app from Friday onwards. Right. So in addition to when you see the profile and examination timetable, you'll start seeing Helium also. From there itself, you can attend the courses.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Please. Yes, ma'am.
So other than Helium app, if we want to contact you personally, then how do we do that then?
Yeah.
Other than this app, because this comes in the School Element app, right?
Yeah. I
And
will
other
answer
than
that
that,
question, ma'am.
yeah.
Yeah. Ma'am, the School Element, you access School Element or you communicate with your school and receive communication using the School Element app. In addition to that, you have a app on iOS also. The School Element app is available on iOS. Plus, it is available on the browser as well. So any device, if you have Chrome browser on it, you can just type divine.schoolelement.in. You can use the same credential to log in, and over there you will be able to get the same information that you're getting in the application. Plus, you will also be able to get the information of Helium also.
Okay, it's like that. And then the registration link which you've sent, sir, that is only available today, or you'll send it through the school so that the kids can like take it from today by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow or something like that.
Yeah, ma'am, this link will be available through the weekend. And the link, there are two links. One is the registration link for the courses directly. One is the registration link for the demonstration class that is going to happen over the weekend. It will be Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So I'm answering one more person's question. When is the demo classes he asked? So it will be either Friday or Saturday or Sunday. So if you want to register for the demo class using the link that is provided by Meghna. We will also share it via the WhatsApp groups from the school, as well as we'll be sharing via circular, right? And we will let you know when the demonstration class will happen. And using the registration link, you can directly enroll to the classes or the courses.
But one request is there, sir. If you try and make it by cash, it'll be good. Like, at least for me, it'll be good. Like, I don't know about others, but for me, it'll be good because I don't do by online payment anything. So you could try
absolutely,
and do
ma'am. We understand the concern. I think quite a few parents are expressing that cash is a better option. We will definitely have a discussion with the school management and see if we can arrange for that.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Somebody had a question?
I don't have any doubts, so can I leave?
Yeah. Please feel free to leave. So we will just see if there is any other question. So I think there are many interesting questions.
We have few people who have actually raised their hand. I think we can give them an opportunity.
Okay, absolutely. Shravan, can you give the opportunity for the people who raised their hand?
Karan Khan is there actually.
Karan Khan is there. I asked them to unmute.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir, please tell your question. Ask your questions.
My doubt is that by paying the fees, I thought, what shall I take, sir? German Foundation, German Advance, or German something it is there, sir? Can I know which is the better German?
What is your age, Saran?
16 years.
15 years, right?
16
years.
Yes.
You have any prior knowledge in German, or you're a fresher to German, right?
I have a little bit knowledge of German, but I am interested in German languages.
German language. There are two options for you. There are three options. One is basic, foundation, and advanced, right?
Yes.
You can go for either foundation or advanced. Advanced is nothing but A1 level. Foundation is the one which I was talking about, appropriate for 11 to 14 years of age group. If you're interested to join this batch, it would be great.
Advanced is better, sir.
Advanced is actual A1 level. A1
Okay.
level program.
Can I know from when it starts?
Advanced program we will start from 1 second.
Yeah, Mr. Sehran, I actually request you to drop a number. I mean, go to the Google form that we shared, right? Register for a demonstration class.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
So when you join the demonstration class, I think we can definitely answer that question. There is one more advanced level batch which you can actually join. We will actually share the details of that class also.
When can I get that?
If you register within tomorrow end of day, you will receive the information of when the demonstration class is. And by the way, on Friday, we will be having the Helium show up in School Element. So if you click on that, you will get all the information of all the courses that we explained today in the School Element app also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thanks. And we
Excuse
have
me,
one
sir.
more question. Yes, yes.
Yeah, excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Sir, can you just say me like how many days and what is the price for that this one? Bhagavad Gita and value-based education, sir?
Yeah. So Bhagavad Gita and value-based education is a 16-hour program, 1 hour each. So there will be 16 sessions. Okay. So it's going to start on November 27th. That is the next Saturday. Next to next Saturday, it will start. Okay. And we are having the schedule adjusted in such a way that the program will start from next Saturday and end by February mid, so that by the time the kids will have their exams, they will not have any classes. We'll be having the program on Saturday and Sunday, some of the weekends, and some of the weekends we'll have only on Sunday or Saturday. It's like that. So I think Ravi is now flashing the prices and all the batch timings, everything. I request all the parents to actually take a screenshot of this for now. This information will be available to you, so don't worry about it. But I request you to take a screenshot of this so that you have this information ready with you already.
And one more thing, sir, like if they are like new for Bhagavad Gita, then it is better to join for them junior or which one, sir?
Devi ma'am, would you like to take this question?
Yes, ma'am. No matter whether the person is going to learn it for the first time or not, the enrollment has to happen according to the age, because we have segregated the batches in such a way that to a particular age group, we will have a certain teaching technique. You need not worry of whether the person is learning it for the first time. Most of our learners are first timers.
No, ma'am, because why I have asked this is because they don't know anything about Bhagavad Gita.
Yes,
and they don't know anything about this. So just like my son is around 13 years.
Yes,
so I don't know
ma'am.
anything about that.
So if
I
he's
asked
13, he has to come into the senior batch. So we will take it from the scratch only. We will introduce them to what is Bhagavad Gita. Everybody will be, made to understand it from the scratch. Only the techniques of teaching will vary. It will make it convenient for the student as well as the teacher, to feel free during the sessions. If I make one, 5-year-old boy and a 13-year-old boy sit in the same session, it may become uninteresting. Thank you.
Yeah. Ma'am, as Devi ma'am was saying, see, these are only categorized based on ages. So that's the most important thing for you to take away from. So juniors 4 to 9 join the junior batch. Intermediate 10 to 12 years join the intermediate batch. If you are 13 to 17 years, join the senior batch. That's all. All of them will start from scratch. And the teaching methodology, as ma'am is saying, will vary. That's all. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So there's one more question. What about the timings? Ma'am, the timings will be say if you're talking about the language courses, there will be 3 classes in a week. Okay? So that will be in the evening. Okay? All of them will be in the evening after 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock. Okay? If it is the NEEV courses, that is the Gita Quest or the value-based stories, these all will be on Saturday or Sunday, right? After the school is over.
Sir,
Yes, Advait, please tell me.
online or offline all classes, sir?
That's a good question. See, all the classes will be online and interactive. Okay. So now we know that we have gone through the pandemic. This pandemic has actually taught us that many things can actually happen online. School, all these things will be offline from now on. But all the additional learning that you do, I think we wish that it is online because it reduces a lot of travel. That time can be used for something else. So we are having all these sessions online. In the future, we may have a hybrid session where most of the classes will be online, a few, 1 or 2 may be offline. So that is in the future. Right now, all of them will be online.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Once again, would like to know, especially for French, German, or Sanskrit, can you share the tariff details and all the session details?
Sure, sir. So I think Mr. Ravi has changed the slide to the language courses. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Okay. So with this, I also wanted to answer one question. So there was one student who was asking about the advanced course, right? See, this slide actually has the detail of the advanced course, which is 15 to 20. Since you have actually gone through some basics of German, you can actually subscribe to the advanced course. Right? That will actually prepare you for the A1 level also. So this is available in the link. You can subscribe to that course.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Excuse me, sir.
you. Yes, ma'am.
So as you said, there will be 2 courses.
Yeah.
Okay. And in that, I want to know that which is more useful for the child in upcoming time, which is more useful.
Ma'am, are you talking about the Gita Quest and value-based stories or the language course?
Other languages, sir.
Mr. Shaji, can you take that question?
Language course you're talking about, ma'am. It's all based on someone's perspective. There are people who learn French. There are people who learn Spanish, people who learn German also, because purpose is different. People who wish to migrate to Canada or have such plans would go for French. And French is the easiest language to learn. So I would suggest if you are starting with any language, a foreign language, you start with French, not German.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think that's a very good point that Mr. Shaji is actually saying. So French and German, there are 2 languages. Each of them will have their own perspective and pick up the language. But one thing that distinguishes these 2 languages is French is slightly easier to pick up compared to German. So any other questions?
One more thing, sir.
Yeah, please.
One more thing regarding this, the child age is 12. So where you will be suggesting it is will be intermediate or junior on that?
Sir, you are talking about the language courses, right?
Yeah, language courses.
If 12, you could go for intermediate, sir.
Can you repeat once again?
If the child age is 12, you can go for intermediate level. That is foundation level. Yes, yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Any other questions, please? Okay, so
Sir,
there's one. Okay, please go ahead.
in that Bhagavad Gita, the Gita Quest and the value-based stories, if the kid is a starter, he's just 9 years old, what would you prefer, sir, for like whether he has to go for the Gita Quest or for the value-based stories?
Devi ma'am, can you take that question, please?
Ma'am, again, both are very interesting sessions. You can opt for both also if you wish to. However, as a facilitator, I would want to know the interest of the child. You think, if the child is totally a beginner, then probably for some time you can put the child in the value-based stories and eventually parallelly enroll into Gita Quest also, because both are very, very equally powerful sessions.
Okay, thank you,
We have
ma'am.
managed to give the time in such a way that, for parents like you who want to have the best of both, you can enroll the child in both.
Yeah, actually,
Thank you, thank you.
yeah, we do have a few students right now as I speak who have enrolled to both the courses. Both the courses they have enrolled to. So you could take your decision. So there's one more question. When will the music and yoga course start? Sir, we will be publishing the music and yoga courses. We are right now in discussions with a few of our vendors who can actually provide the quality. We are right now talking to them, curating the courses that they are going to provide. So we will be sharing some more information when it starts, probably by December, January time. You can watch out for any announcement from us, and we will let you know when those courses will start. But thanks really for your question. That really encourages us to actually introduce courses as soon as possible. So any other questions, please?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
You have given some particular dates to join the classes, the startup dates, right?
Yes.
We have to compulsorily join on that date, or we can take some more time, like 1 week or like that.
Okay. So the batches are going to start from the dates that are seeing on the screen. Okay.
Okay.
So we will be closing the registrations before this date because we don't want the students to miss out of any class.
Okay.
So if you join a little later, you will actually miss out on classes. So we don't want that to happen. So
Okay.
kindly register before, I would say, November 28th. That said, actually limited seats.
There
These are all courses with
will
limited
not be there anything like repetition of the class or anything like that, no?
Ma'am, okay, I'll answer that in 2 ways. So first of all, there are limited seats for each of these batches. For example, for the French junior course, so there, I think we are going with max of 20 in a batch. For French advanced course, we are going with 10 in a batch. Like that, there are limitations for each of the batches. Okay, so we will fill up the batches on a first come, first serve basis. Okay, so that is one point. The second point is after you join the course, starting on the dates that we have published, in between, if there is any, for genuine reasons, a class miss that has happened, right, we will ensure that the class gets repeated. At least on the English root side, because it's a language class, it does get repeated. So that's the commitment we got from Mr. Shaji. And on the name side, ma'am, would you like to take that question, Devi ma'am?
Yes. So in our case, when a child, as you said, unavoidably misses a class, we pass on the recorded session to the child to be, in continuity.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you.
Because each session is planned, uniquely.
Yeah.
Therefore.
Okay. Thank you for the clearance, ma'am.
And the recording will also be available for the English roots as well, right?
Okay.
So I just wanted to let you know about that as well. Right, Mr. Shaji?
Excuse
Yeah.
Sir, you said that music class and yoga classes will be, no, sir?
Yes.
What's the timing? Price and when it will start, sir? Offline or online?
Okay. So the music classes, dance classes, yoga classes, everything is in our pipeline. We will be starting all these classes shortly. And when these classes starts, you will be getting notifications, communications. Just 1 second, please. We'll be getting notification, communication from the school or from Helium team about when that is going to start and what is the price. Everything will be shared accordingly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, please, and ask your question, please. I think Sehran was asking a question.
Yeah, I'm asking that German foundation is better for me, no, sir?
Shaji, can you
Foundation
take that
batch,
question?
yeah, you can go for foundation, Sarah.
And sir, I think my time is up, sir. I am Divine School, 8th standard, 10th standard, no, time is up, no, sir?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Can I leave?
You can leave.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So our session actually formally ends at 8 o'clock, but we are actually seeing a lot of interest and a lot of questions coming in. And that's the reason we are extending the session and taking a keen interest in answering each and every question. And we really appreciate the questions. So anybody, any other question? Is there any fee for Sanskrit course? That's a question that I got. Yes, there is a fee for the Sanskrit course. You can see that on the screen that is shared. It's a 20-hour duration course. It's called as Pravesha, and the fees will be 2499.
Yes, one thing I would like to add here is that, as Mr. Manjukaran told in the beginning, all these courses are given to you at a very, very discounted price. And I run my academy. If somebody wants to join for a German program, it is double the cost. So it is approximately 50% of the actual cost for you. So I request you to make use of that.
Absolutely. So any other questions? Sir, will you accommodate Spanish courses? Please let me know if that is possible.
So that has been answered.
That has been answered. Okay, got it. Okay, any other questions, please? Okay.
Thanks
So
for the orientation meeting, sir.
Thanks a lot. And I think we have answered most of the questions that have been asked, and we really appreciate the interest and the encouragement that we are getting from this group today. If you have any additional questions, feel free to register to the demonstration classes that we have, right? And we will also be sharing our support number and a few other information about the course, the details, when it will start. Everything will be shared on the WhatsApp groups as well as the school element circular. So anybody, any questions, feel free to ask our support team. They'll be more than happy to answer the questions. So with this, again, I will duly thank the management,
Thank you for
parents,
your
and the
information.
students of Divine Education Society and BRV Public School.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for everybody to join this introductory session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Manju, can we end the meeting?
Yeah, I'll end the meeting.
Thank you.